Today I'm going to share with you an absolutely fantastic recipe for garlic mashed potatoes, and I promise you, you are just going to love this. For our ingredients today, we're going to start with the potatoes. You need about 5 pounds of bacon potatoes. You can also add in some golden potatoes if you would like. For your garlic, you need about 6 to 7 cloves. Also have on hand some garlic powder to use for your seasoning at the end. A cup of milk, some coarse kosher salt, some black pepper, coarse ground is the best. Also a couple of bunches of scallions or green onions, 2 sticks of butter, and then about 4 ounces of cream cheese. Our potatoes are now ready to be boiled. They have been peeled and cut into smaller pieces, so they will boil quicker and a lot more evenly. Our potatoes are in the pot and they will start boiling soon, and we'll be back in a few minutes. While our potatoes are boiling, we're going to go ahead and get our garlic and butter mixture ready. You're going to take your cup of butter, your 6 cloves of garlic, your 2 sticks of butter, your salt, and place all of that in a saucepan on medium on your cooktop. Our garlic and butter mixture is now on the stove, or like I said, we'll put that on medium just until we get it melted. And then after it gets completely melted, we're just going to set it aside until the potatoes are ready. But look at all of that garlic. Ooh, it's going to taste so good. So I'll be back in a few minutes after this all melts. We're almost done. This has been melting for about 5 minutes. It probably needs about 2 or 3 more minutes, and then just take it off of the heat and let it sit. And then over here with our potatoes, it looks like we've been going for about maybe 15 minutes, and we need at least another 15 minutes. While we're waiting for the potatoes to finish boiling, go ahead and get your cream cheese ready. You want it to sit it out. It's about 4 ounces. There'll be half a block of cream cheese. Want to make sure it's sitting out so it gets nice and soft. And then over here for your scallions or green onions, go ahead and get them chopped up. The white part of the onion there, we're going to use that to place inside the mashed potatoes. And then the green leafy part, go ahead and chop that up, and we're going to use that for some decoration on top when we get all finished. Our potatoes are done boiling, and I've drained the water, and I like to go ahead and put the potatoes back in the pot or leave them in the pot, and then turn the burner on low, and then just toss the potatoes around, and that way it just dries them a little bit. It gets rid of some of that water. Well, you can still see the steam coming off the potatoes. I just took them off the cooktop. I let them sit in the pan for probably about 3 or 4 minutes to remove some of the water, and that's going to help your garlic and butter mixture soak up in the potatoes. So we're going to go ahead now, and I'm going to take the garlic and butter mixture, put it in here. I'm also going to take the onions and the cream cheese and mix all of that together. I'm going to be using a hand mixer today. You can also use a KitchenAid mixer. So we'll get that mixing, and I'll be right back. Just want to add a little bit of your black pepper all across the top. Well, here we go. We have taken our mashed potatoes, placed them in a nice baking dish, garnished the top with the rest of our chopped green onions. And if this has been helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.